to Tornado Science. I'm Brooke.
And I'm Nora.
Today we're doing 2 science experiments, but also we have moved, as you may clearly see. This is our Harry Potter library.
Yes, and each piece of furniture in this room is
With the color different house in Hogwarts. So this couch represents Slytherin.
These 2 chairs over here represent Gryffindor.
This bookshelf represents Ravenclaw.
And the chest over here, and that table all represent Hufflepuff.
Well, anyway, today we are doing 2 science experiments. We are going to start with Nora. Nora, what is your experiment?
So I'm making the leak-proof bag. So
Tell us about this leak-proof bag before you go ahead and move forward.
So the ingredients you need to make it are a Ziploc bag filled with water. Make sure it's Ziploc, or else or maybe it'll spill and the water will fall out. And you need some sharp pencils like this one.
Or non-sharp pencils like this one.
Yeah, you can use non-sharp pencils if you want. So the science behind this experiment is when the molecules in the polymer chains in the water surround the pencil, preventing any leaks. Let's add a few more pencils.
Every time she does this, I'm worried the pencil, that it will leak. Okay, the pencil.
So you can do it up, down, diagonal. Anyway,
So remind everybody again, why does this work?
the molecules in the polymer chains it surrounds the pencils, preventing leaks. And
Very
when
cool.
you take out the pencils,
You can make
guess
your
what will happen?
You can make your own homemade tap if you poke a pencil not through both sides.
Yes, Brooke, yes. I guess you could do that. Voila.
Pencils are wet.
Oh. The bag
Be
is
careful.
leaking.
Okay, cool. Let's just leave it in there.
Yeah. Put it in there.
Very cool, Nora.
Next, let's go over to Brooke's experiment. She is making oobleck.
So I'm making oobleck. In order to make oobleck, you need 1 cup of water, some food coloring if you want to color your oobleck, and some cornstarch. First, we are going to put the food coloring in the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's put the water in the bowl. I think I probably should have put the food coloring in after we put it in the bowl. Let's do that a little bit. Let it go. Okay, now we need to put it in your 2 cups of cornstarch.
Oh, yeah.
And stir it.
So, Brooke, while you're stirring, can you teach us the science behind making oobleck?
Well, oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid, which means it's not a liquid or a solid.
It's already forming.
Non-what?
Non-Newtonian fluid. The first person who ever made oobleck was Sir Isaac Newton. As you can see in the name, Newtonian. Newton is a Newtonian, if you spell it out correctly. Okay, let me stir a little more here. And then it should be finished. There's a little bit of cornstarch sticking to the side of the bowl. Like that.
Wow, Brooke, that's so cool. Can we test it out?
It's not quite ready yet. Okay, there we go. Okay, so oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid. So when I put it in my hands, you see it just runs through my fingers. I'll get that off of me. It's sticky.
Yeah.
Didn't think it was sticky.
And when you
Punch it. Oh, wait, hang on. Let me.
And
move this
also,
thing.
take a look. I can
So,
grab a liquid and
It's a
then
fluid. It's a solid. Play with it.
Whoa, that's so cool,
Oh,
but
that kind of.
this is such a cool experiment.
Why don't you put the spoon in one of the measuring cups so you have some space to work with?
Okay.
Ah, it stuck to me. This is so fun, bro.
I wish we put that in the bigger.
Also, you can freeze Oobleck, but we're not sure if you can unfreeze it.
Well, it will melt in 2 seconds. Okay. Well, that's basically all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And comment down below if what experiment you liked better. And make sure to tell us if you've ever made Oobleck or the magic leak-proof bag.
Bye.
Bye.
It's sticky.
Yes.
It smells like cornstarch now.